This is page 66. Please put on headphones. Alright. So looking at this first problem here, a rational number can be written as the ratio of one blank to another and represented by a repeating or a blank decimal. So remember, this could be a rational number, 1 over 2. So this right here is an integer. So the integer could be a terminating or could be a repeating or a terminating decimal. Marcus is 5 7/24 feet tall, and Ben is 5 5/16 feet tall. Which of the two boys is taller? Justify your answer. So let's just do the division. Okay, so the 5 is the same, right? So let's still too big, sorry. The 5 is the same, so we need to compare the 7 over 24 and the 5 over 16. So 7 over 24 is 7 divided by 24, and the other one was 5 over 16, right? 5 over 16? So let's compare these two and see which one is larger. So 5 divided by 16. So put in a decimal here. How many 24s in 70? There's 2. 2 times 24 is 48. Subtract, we get 2 here. Bar from there, make that a 6. And get a 2 there. Okay, let's work the first step on this one. How many 16s in 50? There's 3, I think. 3 times 16. Ooh, let's try it. 16 times 3. 8. 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. 48. So 5/16 is larger. So come back here, and you know that Ben is taller. Because 5 over 16 is greater than 7 over 24. If one store is selling 3/4 bushel of apples for $9 and another store is selling 2/3 bushel for $9, which store has the better deal? Explain your answer. Okay, 3/4 and 2/3. We could do this problem 2 different ways. We'll do the dividing over here first. 2/3 and 3/4. 2 divided by 3. Remember, pause the video and work the problem. So that needs to be a 0. How many 3's in 20? 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract, we get 2, and that's repeating. Okay, and then 3 divided by 4. I'm just going to times by 25. If you multiply the denominator by 25, multiply the numerator by 25. That's going to be 75 over 100, or 75 hundredths. So we know that 3/4 is greater than 2/3. Also, you could do common denominators here. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 2 is 8. 9 is greater than 8. Store selling 3/4 of a bushel is giving a bed. Because 3/4 is greater than 2/3. You were given a fraction in simplest forms. The numerator is not 0. When you write the fraction as a decimal, it is a repeating decimal. Which numbers from 1 to 10 could be the denominator? Okay, so convert these fractions to decimals. I'm going to use my calculator because I want to be quick. Okay. Okay, well, that'll work. So the first one here, 1 divided by 1 equals 1.0. One divided by 2 equals 0.5. 1 divided by 3 equals 0.3 repeating. 1 divided by 4 equals 0.25. 1 divided by 5 equals 0.2. 1 divided by 6 is 1.6 repeating. Sorry, 0.16 repeating. 1 divided by 7 is 142,857. 142,857. 1 divided by 8 equals 0.125. 1 divided by 9 equals 0.1 repeating. And 1 divided by 10 0.1. Okay, so which are repeating and which are terminating? Okay, so this problem wants us to look at the repeating decimals. It is a repeating decimal. Which numbers from 1 through 10 could be the denominator? So look here. Looks like it could be 3, 6. I messed up that one. That one should be repeating. Repeating there. So 3, 6, 7, 9. Julie got 21 out of 23 questions on her math test. She got 29 out of 32 questions on her science test. On which test did she get a higher score? Can you compare the fractions 21 over 23 and 29 over 32 by comparing 29 and 21? Explain. How can Julie compare her scores? So, if the denominators are different, okay, just look at that. 21 over 23. It's a 91% on that one. And then 29 over 32 is a 90%. So they're really close. But, yeah, you can't compare. Look at the decimal 0.1211221122. If the pattern continues, is this a repeating decimal? No. There is a pattern. Alright, thanks for watching.